Welcome to another video. Today we are making a Chicago original chicken Vesuvio, which nearly every Italian restaurant in the city of Chicago makes a version of, including a little restaurant on Chestnut affectionately known as Ditka's.
Ditka's.
The Bears.
The Bears.
Los Osos.
This is Rudy. He's from Michigan. Well, I hope you enjoy making the chicken Vesuvio, and next time you're in Edgewater, stop by our little restaurant, Broadway Cellars Bar and Grill. Enjoy. The Bears.
The Bears.
The Bears.
These are the ingredients you'll need. I have a whole chicken cut up. I've seasoned this with a little salt and pepper. We've got herbs, oregano, parsley, thyme, pearl onions, peas. We've got 2 potatoes, 1 or 2 lemons depending on the size, flour and butter, and garlic. First part we're going to make is called gremolata. It's a lemon zest, rosemary, and garlic finely chopped and mixed into a paste. Voila. Next we'll make what's called beurre meunier. This is what will be your thickening agent later. Just mix equal parts flour and butter with your fingers. A little goes a long way. It looks just like this little paste. Now we're ready to prep the potatoes. Skin on. I'm cutting these potatoes into 6 wedges each. Now the cooking part goes pretty quick. I'm using a cast iron skillet. You could use a very large saute pan or a Dutch oven also. You just need room for all of the chicken. Oil goes in the pan, and then first we'll fry the potatoes. These are going to need a little bit of a head start. Turn the potatoes when they're browned on one side. When they're fully browned, transfer the potatoes to a sheet pan. Now in the same cast iron skillet, the chicken pieces go in, skin side down. Brown these well. When the chicken is brown, turn the chicken pieces over and add a lot of garlic cloves, so a dozen or so. Then we'll season the chicken with oregano and thyme, a fair amount. Squeeze in the lemons that we had zested earlier, and then tuck them in amongst the pieces. Now here comes the Vesuvio part, the volcano. Add your white wine, a cup and a half. It's going to kind of go crazy. Now in goes chicken stock. And once that comes back to a boil, transfer the whole pot into a 350 degree oven along with the sheet pan of potatoes. This will need to bake for 20 minutes or until the chicken reaches an internal temperature of 160 degrees. Once out of the oven, remove the chicken pieces to a serving platter and then smash the softened garlic. You could use a potato smasher. I'm just using the back of a spatula. I'll put the flame back on our pot and add in the potatoes. I take out the lemons and any uncrushed garlic cloves. Next, in go the pearl onions. Then the peas can join this pool party. Back in go the lemons and bring everything up until it's warm. Now once we're at this point, I'm going to transfer the potatoes in amongst the chicken pieces. And to the sauce, I'm going to add the gremolata. This is the rosemary lemon garlic paste we made earlier. And I just drop in a couple tablespoons of the butter flour mixture, the beurre meunier, and whisk it together until it thickens a little bit. It'll go pretty quick. Now, all you need to do is turn off the heat and pour the sauce over everything. There you go. Looks good. Let's call some friends over and dig in.